Hello everyone, in this video we're going to discuss how you can clean up the stored data of sites in Google Chrome in your smartphone. This would definitely save a lot storage for you. So all you have to do is to first open the Chrome application in your smartphone. While opening the Chrome application, you'll see the three dots on top right corner of your smartphone. Click on it and you will find an option named setting below, and you have to click on it, and while scrolling down you'll find an option named site settings right there. Click on it and you'll see another list of options, and here you have to find the data stored option. You can see it's right there. While clicking on it, you will see all the data stored by the sites in your smartphone. You can check how much data is being stored by the site. You can simply find clear all data option below your smartphone, and you have to click on it and click clear. It will clear all the site stored data in your smartphone. All you have to be careful because it will clear all the signed in data as well. So do this method with a precaution. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hope it helps you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful videos.